Hey, this is Goff, and over the past week, many of you, some practicing social distancing and some under mandatory quarantine, but all of you are concerned about the same thing. With businesses in virtually every area shut down and employees without pay, you're realizing the absolute necessity of having a safety net, a way to provide for your family so you're not blindsided again. I wanted to take a moment to share with you what I've been discussing with others like yourself. I've condensed them into 4 reasons why you should be in real estate investing. Right now, let's get started. Number 1, generate income. It's obvious that most people want to make more money. When you have the knowledge of generating income, you have the safest job on the planet. And getting income gives you more time. More time gives you more time to generate more income. It sounds simple, but it's a basic building block successful people have used for decades. Then you're not dependent on someone else paying you to show up at a job where you get up, go to work, come home and watch TV. Same thing every day. Get up, go to work, come home and watch TV. Until one day, there's no job to get up and go to and you're left with no income. Number 2, work part or full time. Real estate investing allows you to work as much or as little as you want. When I first got started, I had a full-time job. So I started investing part-time and shortly after, I went full-time, all in and didn't look back. And I'm so glad I did because that decision, that one single decision to take the plunge changed my career path and my life forever. Number 3, control your financial future. A lot of people say, be your own boss. I say, be in control of your financial future. It's easier to do this than you might think with a little bit of knowledge. And in REI Pro, you'll learn various strategies that you can implement right away. No matter if you're just starting without any experience or money. Real estate investing is one of the highest yielding return businesses that you can invest in, based solely on the amount of time you put into it. Many people are finding themselves with more free time these days, so my suggestion to them is to spend less of that time worrying about their financial future and more time securing it through real estate investing. REI Pro is the best way to do that, without question. Number 4, home-based business. Working right out of your home, you can utilize a computer and a phone to begin investing and making money. REI Pro is the perfect social distancing friendly way to make the most of a tough situation while continuing to provide a secure financial future for you and your family. Now, although these are just 4 reasons to get into real estate, there are many more. For those of you seeking personal training from me, get REI Pro. This is exactly what it was designed for. You see, REI Pro is more than just a tool to find deals, make offers, and closing them. It's a great educational platform, and getting the best education has never been more critical. While there are many opportunities for investing right now, this isn't the time for trial and error. REI Pro is dedicated to giving you the right strategy advice and cutting out all the BS so you can implement it with confidence and speed. New in-depth education is currently in production to keep you up to date on what's important right now. So take care and remember, we're all in this together.